Founded in 2005, LinkedIn is a professional network with over 850 million users from over 200 countries, which makes it a fantastic place to build a brand image, share jobs, and attract driven and talented professionals. And if you're hiring on LinkedIn, you might want to spread the word even further by sharing your job posts to your network. And in this video, we will teach you exactly how to do that and what to write when sharing your job posts on LinkedIn. If you want to post a job ad on the LinkedIn job board, check out our video linked below. But did you know that you can also share jobs on your company page or your personal account? You can share an existing job or create a new one. If you have already created a job post on LinkedIn, all you need to do is share it with your followers or connections. And here's how to do that. Click on your Manage Job Post dashboard, click the Options button, and then Share in a Post. You can also add hashtags to your post for more reach. By default, anyone can view the post, but you can limit this to connections and followers only, or anyone plus Twitter. If you want to share someone else's job posts, find it and click the forward arrow button to access the sharing options. You can then share it as a status, a direct message, or even cross-post it on other platforms. You can also create a new job using the Share That You're Hiring feature on LinkedIn. This option is only available to super admins of a company page or select employees of the hiring organization. Here's what you need to do. Go to your LinkedIn feed and click on Start a Post. Select the Share That You're Hiring button, which is the briefcase icon at the bottom of the post window. Here you can add the job title, company, workplace type, employee location, job type, as well as the job description, and that's it. Post a job to your followers and connections and you're done. When you post a job like this, LinkedIn will add the purple hashtag hiring frame to your profile picture. So what do you say when you share a job post? Candidates have to sift through an ocean of LinkedIn content, whether it's job ads or written status updates. So your job post can get lost in their feed pretty quickly unless you think about the phrasing. If you just paste the link to your job ad, your post won't get many impressions these days. So here's how to write a good job post on LinkedIn. Number 1, be very upfront with your intention. Avoid gimmicky and fluffy intros like "want to work with the best" or "you're the rock star we need." Just mention the role that you're hiring for and the skills that you need your candidates to have. Number 2, keep it short. If you're sharing a link to a job ad, skip over explaining the role. LinkedIn posts are truncated after 140 characters, so make sure that you're sharing valuable info within that limit. And number 3 is to add relevant hashtags for more reach. While sharing jobs on LinkedIn has many benefits, a lot of recruiters on the platform really struggle to find the talent they seek. The hiring process can get pretty demanding, so if LinkedIn doesn't work out for you, consider using some of the other job boards: Google Jobs, Mashable, Monster, even Facebook. But if you're hiring on LinkedIn and other job boards at the same time, you need to automate this process. Your automation strategy needs to funnel all of your candidates into a single dashboard sorted by status, move candidates through your hiring funnel without switching apps, test dozens or hundreds of candidates in just a few minutes, and be respectful to all of your candidates and keep them engaged. What took us years to figure out, anyone can now copy and deploy within a few minutes. If you don't have an ATS, you have to try Workello. You can sign up and create a free account in 30 seconds. Your job description and assessment are all pre-written and you can start accepting candidates immediately. Review, test, and interview your candidates with one click only and never leave anyone hanging with Workello's automated candidate emails. Workello is designed to keep your best candidates engaged and invested in using their valuable time to take your pre-hire tests, so you can actually hire them. So save yourself a lot of time and hire your top performers with Workello.